Now I'm going to show you something that, once you hear it, will change how you think about EQ forever. I've engaged the massive passive, but look at the controls. Every boost knob, 0. Every cut knob, 0. EQ section is completely flat.
You're my leftover umbrella. I only call you when it pours. Forget you when it's easy. Come running when it storms. Sorry I leave you in the corner. Just a stranger by the door. Let's go her umbrella. Still you cover me once more.
So if no EQ is being applied, what are we listening to?
You're my leftover umbrella. I only call you when it pours. Forget you when it's
Did you hear that? We haven't moved a single EQ knob, not one. This is truly the tube gain staging and transformer coloration. The sound of your audio passing through 6 modeled vacuum tubes, the emulated hand-wound inductors, and those custom output transformers. Let me show you what's happening visually. Look at the M multi-analyzer. You can see harmonic content that wasn't there before. Subtle, even order harmonics from the tube stages. That's not EQ, that's the tubes and the transformer adding dimension to your audio just by passing through them. And on span, the before and after overlay shows a subtle but real spectral difference, a slight fullness in the low mids and gentle warmth across the entire spectrum. This is why engineers who own the hardware say the massive passive sounds good with everything flat. The character lives in the gain staging. This is why the plug-in models pass through coloration even when the EQ is disengaged. And this is why this EQ costs $7,000. It's not just an equalizer, it's a tone machine.